Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to view the market cap of a stock or a company. Market capitalization is a key metric that represents the total value of a company's outstanding shares, helping investors quickly gauge company size, compare businesses, and understand overall market position within an industry. Once Google Finance is opened up, go to the search bar and select a stock of your choice. For this example, I'll use BYD. After selecting the company, scroll back to the top right section where key statistics are displayed. Here, you'll find the market cap value. It currently shows 1.05T HKD, which reflects its position as one of the largest companies in the market. This number can change frequently based on stock price movements, making it a dynamic indicator of company value and investor sentiment. If you want to check another company, you can search for Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Its market cap is 1.13T USD, giving you a quick comparison between companies in terms of size and valuation. Monitoring market cap over time can help you spot growth trends, shifts in market leadership, and broader economic patterns. So, very simple and very straightforward. This is how you can check the market cap of any stock or company on Google Finance. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.